How was your overall experience with this?
It was great. It was really laid back, easy. Talked to you guys. You guys both came out. We sat on the back porch. When I first met you, we went back and forth with the numbers. Had to get some tree work done. Permitting process was smooth, easy. After meeting with you guys, I did my own research. I liked how you guys could offer a little bit of everything. You guys presented the offer to purchase and I liked it, so I went with that. We moved in this house in August. Right now it's January, so haven't been here that long, but when we bought the house, we knew we needed a new roof, so we kind of budgeted for that, but you guys presented a solution where I didn't have to put all the money out of pocket and kind of rolled that in. Yeah, as far as the process, it was easy, and I got a couple of emails, a couple of DocuSigns I had to complete, but no really heavy lifting on my part.
Yep.
And you guys were always there to text or call, so if I had a question, I could just reach out. You guys would get back to me pretty quickly. So yeah, it was smooth, and I'm happy. If I have an issue with the roof, I call you. If I have an issue with the solar, call you. It's not going to different places to get my answer. Contact Team Sunshine. It's an easy process from the get-go. So get on the phone, reach out to them, and they'll get back to you.